we're gonna go to Barcelona today. Woo. Yep, we're gonna go to Barcelona today. This is the outfit I'm wearing. I got this Rome t-shirt in Brandy Melville.
Well, I think I checked the night. They gave me the boarding passes.
But this is the first time I'm not flying on a Delta flight in my whole entire life. I'm kind of scared. It's fine. It's just like a 2-hour flight, so yeah.
Dame uno de los cuchillos.
I'm gonna have some food in the airport. I got myself like a panini. I don't know. Ooh, my hair, oh my god.
Hace ya 3.
Dios mío. Bueno, no sé, pero ayer fue...
Y a mí me pasa igual, ¿no? Yo también.
Morning. So first day Barcelona, and yeah, I'm pretty excited. Like, I'm actually pretty hyped. I saw a little bit of the city. It looks interesting. It's probably not going to be as cute as Italy because it's different, but yeah, I'm pretty excited.
Lo veo, qué bonito. Mira,
The view is actually insane. Oh my god. They don't have this in America.
¿Sabes que vi una foto, mami? Pero ya, o sea, se quema más rápido. Pero mira tu país.
This is Zara. This is actually insane. It doesn't even look like a Zara, to be honest. It looks completely like a different. So it looks like a designer store.
Disculpa, le puede pavo, chorizo.
Ah, ok. Te escoges o pavo.
Que o sea, pero no me gusta el aftertaste.
No, a mí me gusta que el sabor.
Me queda la boca como ácida. Sí, claro, yo soy un 39 aquí y soy...
I'm going to go to the Muji store in Barcelona. I'm actually so excited, like I love. We're going to a Muji store, but I really want to go into a Muji store. I'm gonna do a haul when I get back. It's definitely gonna be part of my back to school videos, so
como una tienda así, pero es IKEA.
¿Ah, sí?
Yeah, but what does she like? We're gonna head back to my mom's friend's house and we go on the metro.
Antes era 65 y ahora están hablando. Y oye, cuando me descubrí yo será. Se te más agua también, pero no está tan. No están. Nos guardan en la nave. Mantenimiento todo el año.
We're in a beach in Barcelona. My mom's friends have a boat and a little beach house. It's super cute. This is like a little hat that my brother got for me in China. And yeah, it has like a little dog. And I have the matching keychain with my Glossier lip gloss in it. It's so nice.
Te la vamos a comprar, sí.
El golfo de América. Entrando, exacto. Pero arriba es Puerto.
Claro, bien. Hostia, vaya uno más grande que sale ahora. Mira.
Porque yo siempre.
No, pero.
Mira, yo siempre.
A ver, ¿por qué no nos ponemos todos? A ver.
It's actually gorgeous. Oh my god. I'm so sick. I have like a headache. Today we actually did a lot of things, but realistically I just didn't want to record today because it was like a break day for me and I really wanted to enjoy the last day in Barcelona before getting on the road to go to Portugal.
Y ahora cierra un poco.
¿Ves? Y estamos viendo
Sí,
Toulouse.
sí, estamos Toulouse, pero vamos a pasar por el borde. Perdón, en francés.
Pero ve, esta es la cúpula de la de abajo, la otra está arriba.
Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I don't think I've ever seen like such a beautiful building like this before. Like honestly, I would live in it if I could. It's like, it's giving Harry Potter, which I really like. It's so pretty though. Wow. And you could drink the water. I drink the water. It literally tastes like tap water. It's insane. So today we're in a different town in Spain and we're gonna go have dinner now. Qué bonito.
Y la montaña, sí, es un camino y tú puedes comunicar del lado allá.
So today we're visiting Bilbao and it's another little town in Spain. It's really pretty. It's super cute. I like the river. It's so cute. So yeah, now we're gonna be walking to a restaurant and that's it.
Porque el café con la tortilla, pues lo he visto más que ese tiene de
Whatever está bien.
Te lo dejo correr, tiro.
No lo quiero.
Right now we're in Sephora in Bilbao. There's so much stuff they don't have in the United States. I'm low-key like obsessed with stuff. Heading back on the road, we're gonna get a dessert, so yeah.
Vale, cantina porque me quedan cerca de casa.
So right now we're at the restaurant that we're gonna have dinner at. It's another tapas place.
Le voy a sacar la masita, ¿ok? Para que no.
Dude, that is so good.
Que el señor lo cocina al dente. O sea,
Carajo, somos nosotros que estamos juntos.
I've never eaten an octopus tentacle like whole like that.
Que tú miras.
Oh my god. Food is actually insane. I look like rejuvenated and everything. This is so beautiful. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
After 90 meters.
Pero después venimos y entramos al museo.
Tree is named after one of my grandfathers. That's so cool.
No eran hoy. No, para eso no dieron los cubiertos.
So I just got myself some jeans and lefties. Literally gorgeous. Like the cutest little dog ever. And there was like labubus. They sell labubus everywhere.
Estas son sardinas, Lela. Okay?
Good thing I have my own room now. Fell down in my restaurant because there was like a step I could not see. And yeah, I'm fine, I can walk. I just like skinned my knee and I was like really disappointed because like I was really hoping my knees would look great for the pictures, but it's okay. Hey guys, so it's right now 12 in the afternoon and there's some guards here. It's so cool. I'm in Lisbon, Portugal, and today I'm gonna try to go to Brandy Melville. I'm gonna have lunch. I'm gonna see my brother's girlfriend again, and there's a Sephora, and I want to see if there's a Muji. I've heard there is, and I've heard that there's a Miniso here. I'm not sure. Oh, this is actually so cool. It's so weird seeing guards because in the United States that doesn't really exist.
De guiso portugués, creo.
¿A ti te gustó más la de jamón? ¿Te lo dejo a ti?
A mí, la que, ¿cuál te gustó más a ti? Gracias.
Vas a tener que vamos a hacer eso.
Estoy en el medio.
Obsessed. I'm in the Muji in Lisbon. It's so cute. I already got myself stuff in Muji. Like, I'm still getting myself more stuff because I'm literally upset. I'm so sweaty. So this is the fit of the day. I got this on Pull & Bear. This is from Yesto. It's from Pull & Bear. This is also from Pull & Bear. It's so cute. And yeah, so last day in Portugal. Right now we're waiting for the trolley. It's the 28 trolley. I really can't wait to get on it. I heard it's kind of fun. It's kind of hot outside, I'm not gonna lie. The tram just left us where we're gonna go find a restaurant for lunch today. So yeah, ooh, my skirt like up. Stop.
¿No? ¿Sí?
Hey guys, so I just wanted to say thank you so much for 2,000 subscribers. And I know the Portugal Spain vlog kind of ended abruptly. It's because I did have a little bit of more footage, but like I just didn't feel like it really fit in because it was me spending time with my family and my brother's girlfriend. So overall, yeah, and after that we just left the next day, went to the airport, yada yada, you know, typical travel vlog. The Italy travel vlog did not come out the way I kind of wanted it to. Sorry, they're like making food in the bag. Oh, if this vlog comes out like a day after Sunday, I wanted it to come out on Sunday morning. I don't think it can come out on Sunday morning because I have a life, I'm busy. After this, I am going to do a Europe haul video, and basically it's gonna be like back to school haul part 1 because the stuff I got is for school, like Muji, clothing, blah blah blah. And after that, I'm gonna do another haul, a Yesto haul, because Yesto is sending me products. And then hopefully by then I'm gonna have a job because I am not monetized yet, unfortunately. So yeah, and then I'm gonna do some back to school hauls, what's in my bag, blah blah blah. So yeah, I have a lot of stuff planned out for school. So overall, thank you so much for watching, and I love you guys.